equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the screen. First, power off your HP 14's DQ2000NS and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair. Next, remove the battery by sliding the battery release latch and lifting it out. This step is essential for your safety. Now, let's focus on the screen assembly. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located around the bezel of the screen. There are typically around 6 screws, but make sure to check for any hidden screws under rubber pads or stickers. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, take your plastic spudger and gently pry the bezel away from the screen. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the screen or the bezel itself. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the bezel removed, you will now see the screen assembly. Disconnect the video cable by gently lifting the connector from the motherboard. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Next, remove the screws securing the screen to the hinges. There are usually 4 screws, 2 on each side. Once these screws are removed, carefully lift the screen away from the hinges. Take your time with this step to avoid any damage. Now, it's time to install the new screen. Align it with the hinges and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure the screen is firmly in place before proceeding. Reconnect the video cable to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks into place. This connection is vital for the screen to function correctly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop repaired without any hassle. Before reassembling the laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris inside the laptop. This will help improve airflow and prevent overheating in the future. Now, replace the bezel by snapping it back into place. Ensure it fits snugly and that there are no gaps. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your laptop to test the new screen. If everything works correctly, you've successfully replaced the screen on your HP 14's DQ2000NS. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Thank you for following this guide, and good luck with your repair. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.